The Yellow River Delta National Nature Reserve has spent years improving its wetland ecosystem, providing better shelter for its original bird inhabitants while attracting new species. The nature reserve, located at the Yellow River's estuary in East China's Shandong Province, was established in 1992.
鸟类从自然保护区设立初期的187种增加到373种，其中国家一级保护鸟类25种，国家二级保护鸟类65种。
我们不断加强森林湿地保护修复，提高生物生存环境承载力。
In recent years, the reserve has invested 1.37 billion yuan in 17 wetland restoration projects to protect the habitats of key species, conserve native plants, restore marine ecosystems, and improve biodiversity.